It's Dr. Joe Farley that's helping with our search for our new superintendent. So thank you, Dr. Farley, for being here this evening, and Miss Lee for being here with us, and Dale, of course, running the cameras. Thank you so much for being here for our special board meeting. So we're now at closed session, and the closed session is E1, Government Code Section 54957. It's public employment of the superintendent. And we're now going to go into closed session. And then I should say that actually the Zoom meeting is going to be turned off because this is a closed session meeting only. So the meeting will be discontinued on Zoom and YouTube. And if there's anything to report, we will do that from outside the building, but it will not be reported here on any of the online broadcasts, just so everybody is understanding. And so now we are going to go into closed session at 5:33.